Good morning. So this is our last day in Cancun. We are going to go and check out the Old Town and Market 28 so we can sample some real Mexican street food. We got the bus here from our hotel. It's really easy. The buses ran every 5 minutes, so super simple. So yeah, going to see what today has on offer. See you later. So if you want to see where the locals eat and shop, then do head to Market 23. It is quite an eye-opener. So we've got a bit of confession. On our travel guides, we normally try to take you to the most authentic restaurants we can find. But we're in Cancun and we did go and check out the market, which was great, but we've now found ourselves in the hotel area and yeah, it's a lot of American restaurants, but we have found a Mexican restaurant, so we're going to try it. I'm not sure how authentic it actually is, but I've actually ordered some Mayan soup and vegetable fajitas. It looks good, it smells good. It'd be interesting to see what it's like compared to fajitas you get at home. So yeah, I think this soup is a bit like a broth. It's got vegetables, it's got chicken in, it's got lime. I'm hoping it's not too spicy. I'm not that great with spicy food. Oh, it's nice. You can really taste the lime. It's really nice actually. We're finishing up our day exploring Cancun. We're back at the hotel. It's been quite an experience. Looking back, I think I would definitely recommend getting outside of the city if you're staying in Cancun. My favourite part has to be Tulum. It's only a 2-hour drive away and it's definitely worth it for the beautiful, beautiful beach, which is a little bit more chilled than here. So we've been obviously shooting our travel guide, so check it out for all the essential information you need for travelling in this area. And here are our best bits.